Los Cabos Update May 2020. Well, Cabo fans, we made it through April lockdown. Today we decided to sneak out of our headquarters and take you on an update tour of Los Cabos. First up is Hotel Row in San Jose del Cabo. Fired up the drone to capture these amazing views of our completely empty beaches. Not a soul to be seen all the way to Palmilla Point. Back in the truck, we head into downtown San Jose and see it's equally quiet. Few people on the streets, but otherwise it appears that everyone is staying indoors. With only one person allowed per vehicle, I'm videoing these scenes while driving to the store to pick up some essential food and adult beverages. Oakley is my assistant today to warn me if he sees any Policias. We pulled over to do a flyover of the town square in the beautiful Mision, San Jose del Cabo. Now we're driving through the historic art district and the colorful street decorations. There are many parked cars, but very few people anywhere. This has always been one of our favorite parts of San Jose. As you can see here, there's restaurants and art galleries and the wonderful boutique El Encanto Hotel. On the way back through the corridor, we stopped to fly over Santa Maria Bay in the new Montage Los Cabos. This is one of the many amazing new luxury properties. They have selected one of the best locations in Los Cabos, right on the half-moon bay-shaped Santa Maria Bay. This is right in the middle of Los Cabos along the gorgeous shoreline. Now let's go over to Land's End in Cabo San Lucas Bay. We've been enjoying some great spring weather, mostly indoors. We're so fortunate to live in this great climate. Having Oakley to walk and ourselves to keep fit, we've been able to keep busy with our morning walks, runs, and hikes. The beaches are all closed, as you can see. Everywhere you look is so beautiful, and the area has never looked better. Many of the resorts are already bringing back some of their workers to get ready for the summer season. I'm happy to report the lockdown is scheduled to end May 30th. The first guests will be arriving the first week in June. You can rest assured knowing the Los Cabos that you love will be ready. The resorts are all refreshed, the streets have been cleaned, the beaches are sparkling, and everyone is ready for the tourists to finally return. As you can clearly see, Los Cabos is still gorgeous and is a well-earned top destination in the world. So you haven't already made your travel plans for this summer, please put Cabo on your wish list. We will be sure to have the beers on ice, the fish tacos aplenty, and the warm and generous smiles at the ready. We will see you soon at the beach and look forward to saying welcome back to Los Cabos. This video update is brought to you by Cabo's Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos.